How to set up language and voice presets for each person in Live Translate on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Next, open up the phone application, then tap on the More button at the top and choose Settings. In Call Settings, we go down and tap on Live Translate. In here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Language and Voice Preset for each person. Tap on that and then tap on the Contact. In here, in the Me section, you can change your language and voice type. And for the other person, tap on the language and then tap on the back key and choose a voice style.
번역된 통화
Okay, so we choose a voice style and the language for the other person and for yourself. So you can do this for each of the different contacts. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.